मैं हिलता जुलता बहुत हूँ. I can't sit still. This is probably the longest I've sat in a really long time. मगर अब मुझे कोई कहे तो मुझे I'd be piss my pants and be like, you know, especially if it was, you know, like to Pakistan or something. Abhi jo halat hai Pakistan mein, shouldn't really say that on camera, but you know, it's not the safest. Some parts, yeah.
सोशल मीडिया एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे बहुत से फेक फेसेस भी हैं.
Oh, yeah.
आप
My goodness.
आप जब देखते हो तो आपको लगता है कि मेरा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त यही है, लेकिन आप जैसे ही उठ के जाते हैं यू आर टॉपिक ऑफ द टेबल. अच्छा, पैसे भी मिलते हैं?
Yeah.
चलो शुक्र है, किसी को तो मिलते हैं.
Yeah. But oh no, wait, no.
We're not supposed to say that.
No, actually, sometimes between you and I, sometimes brands will say don't, you know, because we're working with others and they're not getting paid.
We're not taking any brand's name, but obviously, देखिए जब हम इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, हम अपना टाइम निकालते हैं, हम कुछ क्रिएट करते हैं, उसको पोस्ट करते हैं, उसको बूस्ट करते हैं. We pay for the boosting as well, you know, like we try our best. तो फिर उसका रिवॉर्ड भी होना चाहिए. Why not?
Yeah. We have families like in Beria, in Model Town and Iqbal Town. I prefer to stay in Iqbal Town because it's like, I want the reality. I don't want the, you know, fakeness. Yeah, but also it's just fabulous. It's great. It's lovely. It's beautiful. We see that anyway. I want to connect with real people, real life, people that actually know what Pakistan is all about. And then they take you to places cheap.
Otherwise, if you are in the luxury areas, you will only go to the luxury areas. Mall. And you already seen all this here.
Yeah.
You want to see the reality, which you can have in Andarun Lahore.
Yeah.
आप अंदरून लाहौर जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगी, आप इकबाल टाउन, आप शालमी, शाही किला, ये सब जो आप जाओगे तो आपको पता.
I know, and that's the history, that's the beauty, and it's untouched. Yeah, it's very rare that you'll get, you know, the occasional uneducated Pakistani man from Pakistan that's saying something nasty.
Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, any like, you know, South Asian.
Yeah, it's sad. It's really sad that they're our own people.
If you are supporting Palestine, that's your personal choice.
And I wouldn't change it.
Yes, so as a Muslim, we stand for it and we talk about it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we should. And as a being as well, if somebody is not Muslim, as a human being, whatever is happening there, we should stand.